Hi students, come back to the English 2. Okay, we are going to see the second semester exams, that is chapter number 9, the zebra's pajamas. The zebra's pajamas. You see here, this is the main actor in this chapter, zebra. Okay, this is zebra. And many animals are there. You know the name wild animal, that is called here this lion, horse. Horse is pet animal also, but we are going to speak the horse families. So because of that I have mentioned there horse and lion and the giraffe, tiger. Okay, lion. This lion is who is known lion. Lion is known as the king of jungle. Now, what is the role of that king of jungle and what is the role of zebra? And this horse family, zebra is belongs to horse family. Okay, and how many are there in this zebra's brother, sister, and one more brother is there. When we will see in this chapter, we will understand. Students, you have to be careful and listen the when we will read that and the relationship of zebra and the animals, their name. This is zebra. He is the younger one in the family, horse family. Okay, he is the younger one, very loving. Zebra is, and mule. One is mule. Zebra's just elder brother, and the Falmino. Falmino is his sister name. His sister name is Falmino, and the what is that? Stallion. Stallion. Stallion is his brother. Okay. Stallion and Falmino is brother of zebra. Okay, and the question will arise that tell the everybody's explain their categories. What kind of these animals are there? You have to describe each member of the horse family. So you have to remember and you have to explain. Okay, now these they are in the four horse family. There are four member. Okay, one is stallion, one is Falmino, one is mule, one is this one zebra. Okay, but these are the animals in the jungle that I have mentioned. When you see in your book page number 71, there is how their Falmino and the zebra and how they are dress up. You will be wonder this one is zebra, but when we will read why this zebra's family are using the pajama till now. So now when we will read, then we will understand the story, what happened to them. So now already because of this king have given the curse, okay, because of the disobedient of zebra. He disobedient and he ran, he did not come for the meeting. So the king of the jungle, he gave curse when he came late, and that also he came, how? He came with night pajama. He came with night pajama. So king got very much angry and he is questioning, how dare to come in front of me in the meeting with your night suit in the pajama. So that he got angry and he is cursing this zebra's family, and today onwards because of this you came late also and you came with pajama. So because of this reason you and your descendants means children after comes grandfather and the children to children, that process. All your descendants will be now onwards they will use the pajama. You will not able to remove your this. So this pajama will become like a skin, means again you are not going to remove. That same day onwards they are using the pajama. So now I am going to read this chapter and listen, and you have to underline, and where is in between I also explain, and that you can underline the words and the question answers. Okay, I am not going to write and give you in the hand. Okay, you must understand and write the question answer. Okay, now listen, I am going to everybody, it is very easy to understand how is Falmino, how is his brother Stallion, and mules how is he is mule is very stubborn person. Okay, mule is very known as a very stubborn person, but at the same time he is working hard, he work hard also. Students, now I am going to read. You have to open your book chapter number 9, and you have to listen the word line by line. Now just I am going to, before reading, I am going to read the word meaning. Okay, I have mentioned here word meaning. There are only 5 words are there, easy for you to remember. Okay, always on move means always running round. Who is that? Maybe always on move means always running around. Second is had a wild stick in him. Okay, wild stick in him. The zebra's line. This is called. These are line is called. Did zebra crazy things, some things? He is doing some crazy thing. This means had a wild streak in him means did crazy things sometimes. Okay, and promptly means at once. Okay, prodded means poked, looking. And descendants, I was telling about descendants. The meaning is children, grandchildren, all those who come after, that is called descendants. Okay, so and some new words is stallion. Okay, this is T, stallion, and Falmino, brother of zebra, stallion, and sister of zebra is Falmino, and mule, third number. Okay, Swiss, this they have the some tail shaking, that is Swiss, and zebra, eyesore, and the lazy. These are the word meaning. If you have, then you can underline and you can write down in your copy how many new words you are getting. Now open the page number 70, the zebra's pajama. Now just I will read in the paragraph, and in between if there is something I shall explain it. Have you ever wondered why zebra always wear pajamas? Of course, they cannot now remove them. They have become a part of their skin. But long ago, in the days when animals behaved like humans in the great animal world, there lived a horse family. There were the brothers Stallion, Mule, and little zebra, and their sisters Falmino. Okay, there how many their family members understood? Stallion, Mule, little zebra, and their sister's name is Falmino. And Stallion and Falmino were wild creatures. Okay, their categories telling, you have to listen. Okay, chapter Stallion and Falmino were wild creatures, always on move. They were always on move. They were running here and there. Who all are? Stallion and Falmino. And they loved nature and fresh air and would get up early in the morning Okay, they like the nature, fresh air, and they get up early in the morning just to go for a means morning walk, like that. Known to be restless, they known to be restless. They could never stand still for long. Now, what is going to happen ahead? And they always took an active part in whatever was happening around them. They will take active part. They are non-active person. Okay, and mule, about mule, listen. Mule, though not as wild as his brother Stallion and sister Falmino, nevertheless had a wild streak in him, which showed itself in the most unexpected movement. He was known to be stubborn, but could work hard. Stallion is known to be stubborn, but he can do hard work. Little zebra, what is about little zebra? Listen carefully. And the youngest of the four was very different from his brother and sister. He did not work like mule. He was not active like Stallion and Falmino. All he did was swish, just spreading or sweep out or sound, making sound of his tail and lays about the house. Always zebra was always moving around, and he will swish his tail and move around the house. In the morning, when the brothers and sister would go out for a run, little zebra could be seen wearing his night pajamas and could not refuse to join them. He never joined, he will not get up early in the morning, and he will be always sleepy mood, like that. Who was zebra? At night, when Stallion and Falmino could go for an after dinner globe, after the dinner also, Falmino and Stallion, they used to go for the walk, but zebra would again refuse to join them, saying after he was feeling sleepy. Always he feels sleepy, and he could promptly change into his pajamas and go to sleep. Little zebra more or less lived in his pajamas. However, as he was the youngest in his brother and sister, never said anything to him. Okay, zebra was younger brother, younger at home, so their brothers and sister never said anything. They did not correct anything. So what happened? What happened? How he grew up? And so he grew lazier and lazier, because they were not telling anything to zebra, so he became more lazy. Okay, he became more lazy. One day what happened? One day the king of animal would call all the animals for a meeting. It was to decide how the kingdom should be ruled. Okay, king of the jungle, lion is calling for the meeting and how to rule the kingdom. To take that decision, a lion got called for the meeting. The horse family naturally was also called. This also, they all are invited for the meeting. Stallion and Falmino woke up early than usual, went for their morning run, and were ready for the meeting. Mule too woke up early enough, did all his work, and got ready for the meeting. Everybody, all three, they got ready for the meeting. Now listen, what happened to zebra? Little zebra was Still, little zebra was still sleeping in his pajama. He did not get up. Mule, what happened? Knocked zebra. His brother Stallion and sister Falmino prodded him. Prodded him means you have seen the prodded at once. Okay, prodded, poked him. But he just refused to get up. He was never able to wake up early in the morning. They felt him. They left him. They left. Everybody went for the meeting. But they were very scared what would happen. All three they reached, and the zebra is back. He did not go. And sure enough, the king noticed zebra absence. Okay, he was furious to find that someone could disobey him. Now he is getting angry. King is getting angry because zebra disobeyed the rule of the king. He demanded that zebra be brought to him immediately. The king said, "Bring him immediately." And the stallion, his brother, ran as faster as he could, woke up zebra and told him that the king had ordered him to come immediately. The poor zebra was so scared that he ran as he had never ran before and even forgot to change his pajama. Because of fear, he ran with his pajama. Where he is going now? He is going for the meeting. The king has ordered him. And the king, seeing zebra in his pajama, became even more angrier. He shouted at zebra, "For denying the meeting and daring to come before me in your pajamas, you will now never be able to remove them." See, he is getting and giving curse. Okay, you and your descendants too will forever have to wear them. You and your family or your brothers, your descendants always have to wear pajamas. And to this day, zebra wear pajamas. See, very interesting story. And you have known how zebra was and how mule was, how is stallion, and how is Falmino, her sister. Everybody's description, the question will arise. Then you must have to write. You read and write there. Why did zebra's brother and sister not say anything to him? How did this affect him? Since any brother or sister was not telling anything, no correction for the zebra. So zebra became very lazy. That is the affected. Students, I hope you have understood the story, and it is very interesting. You must read once again the chapter and the word meaning. You have to write in your copy. And now you must take your book. Just I am telling A section and the 4:1, that exercise comprehension. Okay, you have to take your pencil and you have to tick mark the first questions. Okay, first one is zebra's sister was called. There are options stallion, Falmino and mule. I have already 2-3 times I have repeated who was the sister of zebra. Who was? Can you tell me? Very good, Falmino. Tick mark. B option. Okay, and the second one is who was known to be restless and playful. Who were there? Who was known to be restless and playful? Very good. Mule was known stubborn and hardworking. Okay, Here mule was known to be, option is there, restless, playful and lazy and stubborn and hardworking. Then I have told mule was very known as a very stubborn person, but he was hardworking. So here mule known as a stubborn and hardworking, tick mark. Third number, the king of the animal would call all the animals to decide. Who has king? Who called? The king of the animals. Who is king of the animals? What they are going to decide? Okay. Option is there, what to do with zebra. Second is how the animal kingdom should be ruled. And the third one is who would become the next king. You have to underline when you read. Okay, it is given in your book that how the animal kingdom should be ruled. These are B option is there. Option tick mark B. These are how to rule the kingdom. So they have decide this B section. Okay, then fourth one is little zebra did not go for the meeting because first one option is there, his alarm clock did not ring. Wrong. B, no one tried to wake him up because he was not getting, then nobody called him. That also wrong. He found it difficult to get up early in the morning. This is correct. C answer. Okay, he is not getting up. So this is, you understood the zebra's character, right? And students, the question answer you must read and understand and write in your own word. Okay, that is very easy. There is no difficult. You must write the word meaning in your book and the question answers. And already first A I have done. First A part is done already. Question answer you must write. Okay, and here third, play with word. Third exercise is number D, page number 73. That is to matching. Match these words with their opposites. Okay, match these words with their opposite word. Students, don't match like this, like small kids. Okay, match means match these words with their opposites. First one is wild. Which one is matching? That means wild men. Wild opposite, it will be tame. So side by side you have to write. Don't write like this. Don't match that is like this. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. You have to write the nearby, opposite, just opposite, near you have to write. If you are not writing this way and doing like small kids, LKG, UKG and first they are doing like this lining, putting here and there, don't do. I will cut the marks. You have to write the wild opposite word is tame and the different or active. You see here active opposite, what it will come? Active opposite lazy. So you have to write here lazy. See, lazy, a spelling SAZY, not E, Y, lazy. Active opposite is lazy. This, like this you have to write. Okay, you must write and you must write like this. So wild opposite is tame and different opposite is similar. Active opposite is lazy and subject opposite is ruler, and presence opposite is absence. Like that you have to write. Okay, don't put lining. Okay, and other exercises you must do. Okay, and you have to grammar fun also, you have to do it, grammar fun. In this grammar fun, page number 74, just you take out page number 74, and it is given here, have, has, have, had, was, were. So you have to answer, the option is given and you have to find out. These all are, first G and H is there in the syllabus. G and H, grammar fun. You have to do it in your copy. Okay, you must do all the exercises in your copy. Students, hope you have understood this lesson and the exercises you must do in your copy. Okay, thank you.